Hey guys, we're going to learn how to change the way your header acts on mobile. Click the header at the top of your layout. In the settings panel that pops up, look for Change Header Scroll. Click that. Here you can select one of four options. Scrolls with sight. The header scrolls with the page, meaning it stays in place at the top and isn't visible as you scroll down the website. Freezes. The header remains at the top of the screen and is visible on every page you visit as you scroll down through the website. Disappears. The header disappears when scrolling down and reappears when scrolling back up. And then fades out. The header gradually fades out while scrolling down and reappears when scrolling up. Let's go ahead and select Scrolls with Sight. Let's save. And then let's preview our change. So as you can see, when we start scrolling, the header is not visible as you go from the first page to the second page. So it stays fixed at the top of your layout. Let's go back to Editor. And let's change to freezes. Again, we'll click Save, Preview. So here, as we start to scroll, you'll see the header remains visible as you visit each page of the layout. So the header is always visible when it's set to freezes. Let's go back to Editor. Let's go to the top. Select Change Header Scroll, and then we'll try Disappears. Here, the header disappears as you start to scroll down, and then it'll reappear as you start to scroll back up. Go back to the editor, and we'll check out the last selection, which is Fades Out. Fades out, the header gradually fades out while scrolling down and reappears when scrolling up. Click Preview. As you can see, it's slowly faded out and it's slowly faded back in as we scroll back up. Those are the four options that you can choose from to change the way your header acts on mobile. Also note, if your header is too large, the freeze option may be disabled to prevent it from covering the content. And once you save it, don't forget to test it on your phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if it helped. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more beginner-friendly WIX tips. Have a great day.